Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python on your mobile device. First, you'll need to select a good coding app from your App Store. Make sure your phone has enough storage, perhaps 200 MB or more, for the app and any files. Begin by familiarizing yourself with fundamental Python concepts like variables and data types. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth learning experience on the go. Next, leverage the interactive features of your chosen app. These often include code editors, interpreters, and debuggers, all designed for mobile use. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to solving coding puzzles. Consistency is key. Many apps offer structured lessons and exercises, guiding you through different Python topics step by step. This hands-on approach solidifies your understanding. As you progress, delve into more advanced topics such as data structures like lists and dictionaries, and fundamental algorithms. Some mobile environments allow you to install and use popular Python libraries, expanding your capabilities. Connect with other learners in online forums or groups. Sharing knowledge and collaborating on small projects can accelerate your learning significantly. This broadens your practical application. Finally, apply your knowledge by building small projects directly on your mobile device. Begin with something straightforward, like a basic calculator or a text-based game. Divide more complex ideas into manageable steps, tackling one feature at a time. Always take time to review your code, looking for ways to make it more efficient and readable. This project-based learning truly cements your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.